Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit at US Bank. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up your mobile app, and here from the dashboard I want you to select the checking account or the saving account that you want to set up direct deposit for. So I'll select this one, and then what I need you to do is come here and click on Account tab, and then from there what I need you to do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down here. Under services, you'll actually see direct deposit. Now, this will only be available if you have an eligible account. So go ahead and click on direct deposit. And then what I need you to do now is actually come down here and you either click on setup now, so they'll set up direct deposit for you, or you can click here, download a pre-filled PDF. You go ahead and set it up from here. And then all you need to do is go ahead and set up a direct deposit directly with your employer. And once it is set up, you allow 1 to 2 pay cycles for it to take into effect. If you want to do the automated process, just click here on the X icon. And then what I need you to do is click here on setup now. And then after that, what I need you to do is come here and just search for your employer or payroll provider. So you click here, search them up. And what I need you to do is go ahead and click on your payroll provider, so it's there, or your company, and you just need to go ahead and enter your username and password, right, just for authentication. Just enter your username. There you go. Click on continue. You basically sign in, enter your password as well. Click here, continue, and then what I want you to do is just confirm your paycheck distribution and the percentage as well. So it's 100% right now. You can change that if you want. Click here on confirm, and there you go, basically done. Paycheck is now linked to US Bank, and you can return back to the app homepage. That is how to set up direct deposit at US Bank. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. I'll see you in the next one.